It's 2:13 a.m. when your phone vibrates once on the glass table beside your bed. Not a call, not a message, just a silent pulse from a number that doesn't exist. You're awake before your eyes open. You reach for the phone, thumb hovering for half a second because nothing good ever comes from this line. It only activates when someone above your level decides you're needed. No names, no explanations, just instructions. You unlock it. One message. Report. Level 3 clearance granted. Arrival in 40 minutes.
You sit up slowly, the weight already settling in your chest. Level 3 isn't routine. It's not maintenance, not observation, not minor influence. Level 3 means access, and access always comes with consequences. You're dressed in under 5 minutes. Black suit, no tie. You don't wear one anymore. Too restrictive, someone once said during training. You need to breathe when you make decisions that ruin lives. The car is already waiting outside your building. It always is. Same driver, same blank expression, same silence. You never learned his name. You're not supposed to. The city is still asleep as you move through it. Street lights flicker across the tinted windows, casting brief shadows across your face. You watch them pass, counting without realizing. 1, 2, 3. By the time you hit 30, the car slows. You're not at any place that officially exists. The building looks like a financial consulting firm. Glass exterior, clean logo, no guards in sight, no cameras visible. But you know better. Everything here is watched. Everything is recorded. Everything is owned. You step out. The doors open before you reach them. Inside, the air is colder. Not temperature. Pressure. You feel it immediately, the kind that tells you every move is being evaluated before you even make it. A woman in a gray suit meets you at the entrance. You've seen her before, never spoken, never needed to. Until now.
Level 3, she says, not asking. You nod. She hands you a thin black card. No names, no deviations. You follow the structure exactly. If anything changes, you report. You don't improvise. You almost smile at that. You've built your entire career on controlled improvisation. But you don't say it. You just take the card. Understood.